take us through what was the market's trend like in terms of how the stocks traded today?
Okay, well, looking at the last week, where the forces of the bull were stronger than the forces of the bear. This week, both forces have been pretty much equal. The market closed negative 0.40% today, meaning that, I mean, basically the bears and the activities of the profit takers were slightly stronger than the forces of the bear, and the market closed in a negative as opposed to yesterday, where it closed at a positive 0.51%.
Now, which banking stocks showed strength or gains on the stock exchange?
Okay, the flour mills led the price gainers today, which wasn't really a surprise to us, because following their results, there was a release yesterday on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. The results were pretty impressive, and we see investors chasing after the stock today, and it led the price gainers. This was followed by Cadbury, CCNN, Diamond, and Access Bank.
Well, there's a new president in charge of Nigeria. How has the market reacted to it?
Well, it's ended the long spell of uncertainty with respect to no captain of the ship. It's a welcome development, and at least we can say now that we do have someone in charge and someone to take decisions. So we believe this would reduce the political uncertainty in the markets and in the economy, and it should also ensure that things begin to move forward. You know, things like the issue regarding the setting up of the AMC and the Niger Delta situation that seems to want to resurface. So definitely, we believe this is a welcome development, and the new acting president, he appears to be moving swiftly, you know, following the little cabinet reshuffle done in his first day of office.
But do you think that this has improved business confidence in Nigeria?
Okay, it's a bit early to say, because, well, the business community is, well, driven largely by the banking sector. But definitely, again, I'd say that it is a welcome development. At least that side of the equation has been resolved or has been solved for now. And we can continue with the day-to-day business of moving the economy forward.
Well, looking at the stock exchange, which stocks do you think holds value?
I'm sorry, could you come again with that question, please?
Which stocks do you think holds value on the Nigerian Stock Exchange currently?
Okay, which stock holds value on the Nigerian Stock Exchange? Basically, it's, I mean, there's still, we could say that there's uncertainty in the banking sector, and the banking sector is well, it's thought to be more volatile than any other sector. But if you were to ask me which stock, perhaps GTB, First Bank, they have sort of held their value, and investors have been, you know, following those stocks closely, because they came out relatively unscathed from, you know, all the, well, should I say, bad publicity that has followed the banking industry of recent.
And how do you expect the bourse to close tomorrow?
Tomorrow being a Friday, it's expected that people will slow down. It's possible that the trend which we see today would continue tomorrow. The profit takers would, I mean, if we look at stocks of UBA, IBTC, and Zenith, which sort of started the week on a positive note, they lost today. It's possible that profit takers will continue and the trend will continue tomorrow, and the market will either end flat or on a negative note.